Hi everyone, I'm Swati Singla and in this video I'm going to cover something new and not something new but something interesting and very useful. Okay, so stay tuned till the end. In the last video I already have told you the concept of present, past and future tenses, the simple sentence structure of the simple present, simple past and simple future tense. Okay, so and you know these kind of sentences, these kind of tense structure are the basis of are the base of the whole of the English. The whole, if you understand these sentence structure, these three kind of sentence structure, although these are very simple, but if you understood these kind of sentences, these tense structure, you have solved a lot of problems of your English. Okay, trust me. Okay, so this is these kind of sentence structure is the, I mean, this is the base of whole English, right? So in this video I'm going to cover a quick revision or a kind of recap of all these tenses, so that we can get it very perfectly, so that we can move to some advanced English later on. Okay, so let's start. So for this I'm going to take one example only and I will mold that example for all these three kind of tenses, so there would be a clarity of the difference between all these type sentences. Okay, so you get to know what is the difference between all these kind of sentences with just one example. Okay, so let's start. The first is present tense. I am going to take one example, like I took, okay, let's take this example only. Learn English. Okay, the activity is learn English, right? So I am going to tell you the learn English. I am going to make sentences out of this activity, learn English, in all the three kind of tenses, right? Got it? So first is present tense, learn English. Okay, तो फर्स्ट प्रेजेंट टेंस में फर्स्ट टेंस वुड बी, क्वेश्चन से स्टार्ट करते हैं. फर्स्ट इज डू यू लर्न इंग्लिश, क्या आप इंग्लिश लर्न करते हैं? तो आंसर वुड बी येस आई लर्न इंग्लिश, नो आई do not learn English, or we can write it like don't, in short, don't learn English. Okay, this is positive, this is negative. Okay, in simple present tense. And when I ask somebody else कि Ram English सीखता है, तो does Ram learn English? So answer would be yes, he learns English. Yeah, yes, Ram learns English, because present tense में second person के लिए s या es लगता है. Okay, so yes, he learns English. No, he does not learn English. Don't और do not की जगह हमारा does not use होगा. Right? Got it? This is the simple present tense. Second is, if I talk about the past tense, so how will I ask? Did he learn English? Did he learn English? So answer would be yes, he second form learned, Learnt, learned English. Okay, so yes, he learned English, or you can also say the name of the person. Yes, Ram learnt English. Okay, yeah, yes, I learnt English, anything. Or if I want to negate it, no, he, she, it, I, anything, I am taking he did not learn English. There is, we don't use the second form. Okay, second or third, any form. Okay, activity would be the same, learn English. ठीक है? Got it? This is the past tense. Okay, now if I want to use the future tense, in the future tense, how will I ask? Will you learn English? Will you लर्न इंग्लिश, क्या तुम इंग्लिश सीखोगे? सो हाउ वुड आई से? यस आई विल लर्न इंग्लिश. पॉजिटिव लेना है. यस आई विल लर्न इंग्लिश. ओके. विल और शेल का कॉन्सेप्ट मैंने अपना फ्यूचर वाली वीडियो में बताया, फ्यूचर टेंस वाली में. यू कैन रेफर दैट वीडियो एज वेल. ओके. एंड इफ आई वांट टू नेगेट दिस, नो आई विल नॉट, और इसको शॉर्ट में लिख सकते हैं वांट लर्न इंग्लिश. गॉट इट? Got it? The same example for all these three tenses. I hope I made it very clear, very simple, and you really get it very well. Okay. So, okay, one more thing. For this, for future tense, if I ask a question, will you learn English? So you can also answer it like, I may learn English, I might learn English, I will learn English, I will not learn English, I may not learn English, I might not learn English, anything. Okay. So there are plenty of options you can answer. Okay. Yes, the answer needs to be, your choice. Okay. So these are the three kind of tenses, and I hope these are really simple enough to understand. Okay. So this was all about tenses today. This was a quick revision from my side for you, and I hope it helped you a lot. And if you really like this video, please give it a like and a share, and do subscribe, and please hit the bell button. And yes, of course, if you have any query, if you have any question, you can anytime comment in the comment section, and or you can also write me a mail. Okay. So this is it for today. That's all. See you in the next video. Till then, bye. See you soon.